Hello friends, today's topic is what is basic structure of the constitution. My lesson plan includes why is it in the news, background, definition of basic structure of our constitution, main elements of basic structure and finally conclusion. I shall stick to these points. Friends, as you know that Vice President of India said that court could not dilute parliament's sovereignty. He says that he doesn't subscribe to the idea that judiciary can strike down amendments passed by the legislature on the ground that they violate the basic structure of the constitution. He said that how the Supreme Court declared 99th Constitutional Amendment Act 2014 and National Judicial Appointment Commission Act 2014 unconstitutional on the basis of violation of basic structure of the constitution. He said that constitution never envisaged a third and superior chamber for parliament to grant approval to the legislature passed by the two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The judiciary is expected to follow the principle of separation and balance of power conferred by the constitution. Noted lawyer Prashant Bhushan said that in a constitutional republic, it is constitution which is supreme, not the parliament. Background. Friends, as you know that the concept of basic structure evolved over the years, and in 1951, in the case of Shankari Prasad versus Union of India, Supreme Court held that no part of the constitution was unamendable. The Parliament, in compliance with the requirement of Article 368, can amend any provision of the constitution, including fundamental rights and Article 368 itself. In Sajjan Kumar Singh versus State of Rajasthan 1965, the SC held that Article 368 confers to Parliament the right to amend the Constitution. This power can be exercised over all provisions of the Constitution. But in 1968, the Supreme Court reversed its earlier decision in Goloknath versus State of Punjab and held that if an amendment takes away or abridges a fundamental right conferred by Part 3, it is void. The Supreme Court held that the fundamental right under Part 3 has been kept at transcendental position under the Constitution and beyond the reach of Parliament. In retaliation, Parliament passed the 24th Amendment in 1971 to abrogate the Supreme Court ruling in the Goloknath case. It held that Parliament has the power to any part of the Constitution, including the provision related to fundamental rights. Definition of basic structure of the Constitution. In 1973, the Supreme Court held that the power to amend doesn't include the power to alter the basic structure of the Constitution so as to change its identity. Goloknath case judgment was overruled. In Keswanand Bharti case, the Supreme Court did not define what was basic structure of the Constitution, but it held that basic structure would be defined on the merit of each case. Friends, now I switch over to another point, and that is main elements of basic structure of the Constitution. The basic structure consists of the following on the basis of numerous judgments passed by the Supreme Court. Number 1, supremacy of the Constitution. 2, republic and democratic system. 3rd, secularism, separation of power, federal character of the Constitution, a welfare state, unity and integrity of India, sovereignty of the country, individual freedom, social, economic and political justice, equality of status and opportunities, rule of law, judicial review. Conclusion. It was because of the basic structure doctrine that 39th Constitutional Amendment was struck down by the Supreme Court, and you might be knowing that under 39th Amendment, the election of Prime Minister and a Speaker of Lok Sabha was kept beyond the jurisdiction of Supreme Court and High Court. It also struck down 42nd Amendment, which gave primacy to directive principles of state policy over fundamental rights. In Minerva Mill case, Supreme Court held that only in cases where Article 39 B and C of Directive Principle of State Policy is implemented, Article 14 and 19 would not obstruct. In other subjects related to directive principle of state policy, the primacy of fundamental rights would be intact over directive principle of state policy. Friends, the principle of basic structure was invented by the Supreme Court to stop a government which has got an absolute majority in both houses of parliament from drastic change in the character of constitution, like changing of parliament system to presidential form of government, or changing the federal structure to unitary form of government, or to alter the power of judicial review enjoyed by Supreme Court and High Court. So friends, now I conclude my lecture. If you like this topic, please share and subscribe and comment. I have written in detail all these facts in description box. You can see this and download. Thank you very much.